Hello everyone, welcome to the Minaw Podcast. I'm Minaw. The Minaw Podcast is a passion project in which I am talking about topics on personal development. Yan. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in again for our newest episode. Kala mo established na talaga yun, no? The last time that I did a podcast was a couple of months ago and yeah, life happened. Dami nangyari since January. So, yeah. Gagawin ko to lagi kada episode ng podcast. Magrarason ako bakit hindi ako nakakapag-podcast. But yeah, here we are right now. I am at a perfect spot kung saan maganda mag-podcast and napaka solemn ng area na to, napaka cozy. The backdrop is really nice. It's nice to talk about personal development things here. And so for today, my topic is going to be actually pinag-isipan ko to kagabi pa, pero hindi pa rin ako nakagawa ng script, so all that is coming out from my mouth right now is spontaneous. But yeah, I'm going to focus on the idea of gawin mo na or just do it. And so dun tayo magfo-focus ngayon. Ang question is, bakit hindi mo pa ginagawa? So yun yung tanong. Actually, maraming mga sagot sa tanong na yan. Bakit hindi mo pa ginagawa kung ano man yan? Kung ano man yung goal mo. Bakit hindi ka pa nagsisimulang mag-exercise? Bakit hindi ka pa nagsisimulang mag-diet? Or bakit hindi ka pa nagsisimulang sumulat ng kanta na sarili mo? Bakit hindi ka pa nagsisimulang mag-aral ng skill para sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin or para sa mga goals mo? Bakit hindi mo pa rin ginagawa hanggang ngayon? So, the question is really tricky kasi it looks like parang sinisisi kita. The question itself is a criticism. Looks like a criticism, but actually it's not. It's just a good preface to reflect, 'di ba? Tanungin mo sarili mo, bakit hindi mo pa ginagawa? So, you have to identify the blockers. Ano ba yung blockers? Ano ba yung mga obstacles mo along the way? Because I'm really sure each one of us will have very valid reasons why we are still not starting what is good for us. Maraming mga reasons, diba? So, number one is because probably you don't have the resources, diba? You don't have the money, you don't have the time to do it, and those are valid reasons. I'm not here to counter those reasons kasi ang hirap i-nullify or i-invalidate yung mga reasons na yun, especially if your reasons, say for example, if you want to learn a new skill, say for example digital art. If you want to learn digital art, it's you need to have some time. In order for you to learn digital art, you have to have digital devices, di ba? You have to have a proper tablet or na pwede mong pagpraktisan. You have to either buy specific things to help you out with your digital art journey. Ayan. And yeah, not all will have the means or resources to buy that. And aside from money, 'di ba? Lagi nating rason, which is equally a valid reason, is we don't have time. Yan. The job and everything, yung buhay natin, personal life, other things, 'di ba? There's just a lot of things happening in our life right now that is occupying us, that takes so much of our time na wala tayong maibigay na oras para sa mga gusto talaga nating gawin on the side. Yan. Say for example, digital art. Wala akong ma-advise for it. those are valid reasons. So, ang tanong ko lang is, yeah, if you don't have money, if you don't have time, what are you going to do about it? Yun yung laging tanong. So it's not me who's going to answer that, it's you. And what I'm trying to do right now is to have you reflect, o have you reflect on those things, kasi I don't know you, I don't know your life. It's probably you can answer that. So what I am hoping is that sana hindi ka pa totally convinced na hindi mo nagagawa yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin because you don't have money or time. Sana hindi ka pa fully convinced, kasi kapag 100% convincido ka na, ang hirap na nun. Ang hirap na kumilos pag ganun. Anyways, so that's for you to think about. That's one of the reasons, 'di ba, why people are not starting to anything, to do anything. Kasi they don't have money and they don't have time, which is again a valid reason. But I'd like you to think, if you don't have money and you don't have time, what are you going to do about it, 'di ba? Next reason bakit hindi pa natin ginagawa yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto natin gawin. Kasi ayaw mo mag-fail. Ayan. Ayaw mo mag-fail. Ayaw mo magkamali. The fear of public judgment. So, kaya hindi pa natin sinisimulan, gusto natin gawin. Say for example, gusto mo nang mag-upload ng video. Ayan, mag-upload ng video of your performance, of your acoustic covers. Ayan. So you want to put up a YouTube channel, you want to do Facebook live stream sa mga I don't know, whatever you're doing online games, you're doing mobile games, gusto mo maging content creator. Lots of artists out there, this is the reason why they are not even, 'di ba, starting it. 'Di ba? It's only in their head because we are so afraid na magkamali tayo. We are so afraid of public judgment. Napaparalyze tayo sa takot natin na to have these errors. That one, yan, pwede ko siguro siya ma-counter. Ayan, pwede ko siguro siya ma-counter. Yung first reason kasi medyo mahirap yun, money and time. But this, our fear of judgment, our fear of failure, that's, I can say something about it. When you fear failure, you are removing a lot of opportunities for growth. Ayan yung like core lesson about it. Sobrang daming opportunities na matututo ka ang mawawala sa'yo kapag hindi mo inopen up sarili mo for mistakes and errors. It happens. It happened to me. For everyone who's listening right now, I am an artist. I am me now. That's my alter ego. And I'm a singer-songwriter. Nag-release ako ng songs for me now since 2021. And I only started doing gigs nung 2024. That's 3 years later. Alam niyo bakit? Kasi natatakot akong magkamali in front of the audience. Natatakot akong magkamali ng lyrics. Natatakot akong pumiyok sa harap nila. Natatakot akong magkamali in general. And so yung couple of regrets kasi there were many invitations na I had since 2021, school gigs, festivals na tinanggihan ko just because I was really afraid of, not being able to please the crowd. Ayoko ma-disappoint yung crowd. So it took me 3 years para ma-build yung confidence ko to really, just let it go and then just perform. And whatever happens, if I do a mistake, it's a learning opportunity. So it took me 3 years to realize that. But looking back, I have missed lots of opportunities. And syempre growth, na-delay yung growth kasi nga dinedelay ko rin mag-decide kung kaya ko ba talaga mag-perform. You have to open up yourself to mistakes. You have to open up yourself to errors kasi tao ka lang, talagang magkakamali ka. And the people's judgment it's not going to be really like eternal. Hindi yan panghabang buhay. Sometimes, yeah, I mean, those people that are going to watch you, say for example, you're an artist and you're so afraid to perform live, those people that are going to watch you, they don't even know you personally. These people, baka sa gig lang na yun makikita mo, and then di mo na sila makikita ulit sa buhay mo. Performing and doing mistakes live, it's not going to be forever. Like, people are going to talk about it, your mistakes. It's and it's going to it's a fleeting habit, 'di ba? Of uh of the mob to gossip a little about your mistakes. But afterwards, you're going to move on. You're going to move on. Just practice a lot, 'di ba? Syempre, I'm not encouraging you to do mistakes every now and then pag magpa-perform ka. It's just that practice beforehand, 'di ba? So, practice mo maigi kung ano man gagawin mo. If you did a mistake, so what? I mean, that's part of life. So allow yourself to to embrace mistakes, and then learn something from it. The next time you're not going to do it anymore, or the next time you're going to be very careful. How will you know what you're going to improve if you're not going to experience mistakes? What room for growth will you still have if you don't try at all? I'm encouraging everyone to just do it. Start doing it, start learning something about it. Try to master that fear of failure. It's not going to leave you. That's one thing I realized, kasi gusto nyong matanggal yung fear of failure, but you're not able to remove it. You just have to live above it, 'di ba? It's going to be always with you na natatakot kang magkamali. Just want you to master it. You have to face it. You have to try it. You have to do something. You have to start. Just do it. And third reason why you're not able to start anything is because mag-isa ka lang. You're figuring it out alone. You don't have to do that. And when we are figuring it out alone, mas madalas nanguhula tayo. One example is that, like 5 years ago, I did a lot of things to lose weight. I guessed a lot. Parang nanghula ako ng anong gagawin. Kahit minsan YouTube ko, it's not, and it all failed. And all because mag-isa lang ako na ginagawa yun. Have someone who knows better on this thing. So if you're going to want to start that digital art journey, look for someone who knows digital art, who is an expert for digital art. If you want to lose weight, then get someone who already has lost weight and knows something about it. If you want to exercise, get someone who knows how to lift, who knows to do strength training. Sometimes kapag may kasama tayo, may partner, or meron tayong at least a community, no, that knows better of what we want to do, gives us more courage to finally start it. So you don't have to do it alone. Again, the cliche quote, no man is an island. Do not figure it out on your own. Find your tribe. Ayan. Find your tribe, and look for people who believes in you. Ayan. Look for people who believes in your potential, that you can do something big, that you're able to do what you aim to do. It's not going to be a guarantee na you're going to achieve your goals, but it will make it easier for you to start doing it. Have someone with you. Get a partner. Get a coach. Diba? Get a mentor. And that's something that you need to do. So that's probably the third reason why we don't want to start things, because mag-isa lang tayo. Just a quick recap. So number 1, the reason why we don't want to start things is we don't have resources. And my question for you in that is, if you don't have time and money, what are you going to do about it? Second reason is we are so afraid of failure, and what I may say to that is you're missing a lot of opportunities for growth. Yan. Third reason, the reason we don't start things is because mag-isa lang tayo, we're doing it all alone. Just look for someone who knows better. I just wish na instead of us over analyzing the outcomes if we try to do something new, I just hope we think more of the happiness that we will feel if we start doing it, or the satisfaction that we will feel kapag nagawa na natin, kapag sinimulan na natin. So yeah, that's it for today's episode, and see you in the next podcast. Thanks so much, everyone.